Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create checklists on a card on Trello. So all you have to do is head over to trello.com and just make sure that you're logged into your account. Then once you're logged in, just head over to your existing board, or if you still doesn't have one, you can easily just create. Then from your board, just select an existing card, or you can also create one just by clicking on add a card. Then once done, say for example we're going to click on this card, and from here at the right corner you can easily see the checklist button. Just click on this. Then you can also rename your checklist. Then just click on add. So from here, you can easily just add an item or options. Then just click on add. You can also edit. You can assign dates and members to your checklist. You can also add the due date. Then once done, just click on save. You can also add another option from the checklist and add as much as you can. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!